I mean, look at this, all of these scraps. I always have tons of leftovers from all of my sewing projects. So here is a very useful and super cute project. You can use it for all of your fancy drinks this summer. We're making some strawberry coasters. Trace the pattern shapes onto fusible batting. As usual, I'm using Fleeseline 630. Then you prepare your fabric scraps. You might need to iron them first. You can use all sorts of shapes. Take your fusible batting with the sticky side up and take your first piece of fabric and place it on your batting. Then take the second piece of fabric, right sides together, and stitch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Fold open and finger press. Then you take the third piece of fabric, again right sides together, stitch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and fold open. Now keep on going this way till you fill out your strawberry shape. Just add one piece after another. Don't worry about odd size seam allowances, they will be in the back anyway. If you would keep on going this way, the pieces would get bigger and bigger towards the outside. We want to avoid that, that's why we end up with odd corners. Here is a fun way to solve that. You stitch along one edge as before, and you use a fancy top stitch for the other edge. I decided to use a pretty blanket stitch. You could also just use zigzag or fold the edge under and do a straight stitch. And that's it, our strawberry is done. Now cut out the shape and set it aside. We're repeating the crazy quilting as you go for the green leafy part of the strawberry. Now place both pieces, the leafy part and the strawberry, onto the backing fabric and stitch along the outside edge with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Leave a 2-inch opening at the top of the strawberry and at the bottom of the green leafy part for turning the pieces later. Cut back the excess fabric of the backing, and very important, clip concave edges. Make sure you only cut to the seam, not any further. Now turn the right side out and use some scissors to poke out the edges. Now repeat the same for the strawberry shape. Turn right side out and fold under the opening. I like to press the opening to get nice sharp edges. Now place the leafy part inside the opening and close with a small stitch, either by machine or by hand. And ta-da! It looks very pretty from the front and the back. Cheers!